Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today our star is the baba ghanouj, the eggplant. So what you need is wrap the eggplant in the aluminium foil, put it in top of the stove because you need the smoky taste for the baba ghanouj. Roast it until it's like soft, and then you peel it. I already did. You see, it's so easy to take them out when it's hot. Just this is the oil that comes from the eggplant. You need it. Don't throw it away. And the trick, don't add any water to it because the water you have here, it's more than enough to mix it good. You see how easy? Look. Some people, they cook it, they make it in the food processor. I don't like it too thin. I like it like little chunks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mash it like that. This baba ghanouj, it's about like cup and a half. I'm gonna mix it here. You see, it's not too thin. It still have some chunks. I'm gonna add the tahini sauce. I'm gonna add the lemon juice. Pomegranate, I'm gonna put just a little bit because this year we didn't go to Lebanon. So I didn't bring the pomegranate from Lebanon. It's completely different. This is too dark, so it will make it dark. So I use just a little bit pomegranate. Usually I put like 1 tablespoon. And now I'm gonna squeeze some pomegranate with it. I think it needs a little bit more tahini sauce, but I'm gonna try it first. When I taste them, they need a little bit more tahini, so it will make it like thicker, the texture. You see, the thickness is better and the color is better. For display, I put it in a serving plate. I'm gonna smooth it a little bit. You need some green with it. And of course, the olive oil. Just drizzle in top. So this is our baba ghanouj, the famous baba ghanouj. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.